field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 play a critical role in various infrastructure development projects. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and gathering accurate data related to land, buildings, and other physical features. The field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 are well-trained individuals with a deep understanding of surveying techniques and the use of advanced equipment. They are adept at using tools such as theodolites, DGPSreceivers, and total stations to measure distances, angles, and elevations. Their expertise allows them to provide precise measurements and detailed reports that are essential for the successful completion of construction projects. One area where field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 are particularly valuable is in Scon design. Scon design refers to the planning and construction of small outdoor structures, such as garden pavilions, gazebos, or decorative walls. These structures often require precise measurements and careful placement to ensure they are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional. Field surveyors use their knowledge of land surveying techniques to accurately mark the desired location for the scon and determine the best positioning based on factors such as sun exposure, wind direction, and existing landscape features. The field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 are well versed in various surveying methods such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. These techniques allow them to accurately map out the land and identify any potential obstacles or challenges that may impact the scon design. For example, they can identify underground utilities, drainage patterns, or uneven terrain that may need to be considered during the construction process. By conducting thorough surveys and gathering all necessary data, field surveyors can provide valuable insights to architects and designers to ensure that the scon design is both practical and visually appealing. In numerous infrastructure development projects, field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 play an essential role. These experts are in charge of conducting surveys and compiling precise information about real estate, construction projects, and other physical elements. The field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 are skilled professionals who have a thorough understanding of surveying methods and the use of cutting-edge tools. They are skilled at measuring distances, angles, and elevations using devices like theodolites, DGPSreceivers, and total stations. Their knowledge enables them to offer accurate measurements and thorough reports, both of which are necessary for the effective conclusion of building projects. Scon design is one area where field surveyors in Noida Sector 50 are really useful. The planning and building of small outdoor structures like garden pavilions, gazebos, or ornamental walls is referred to as scon design. To ensure that these buildings are not only aesthetically beautiful but also practical, they frequently need to be built with exact measurements and careful placement. The ideal placing for the scon is determined by elements including sun exposure, wind direction, and existing landscape features by field surveyors using their